Hello guys, it's me, Bob. And it's me, Stuart. And we are your hosts. And this is Otto.
Hello everyone, it's me, Otto.
Okay, what you got there?
Well, we see that this Minion is trapped in a little bag, and it seems that he can't get out.
I think it's rabbit.
Wait, what?
Stuart, I think it's rabbit.
So, are you saying it's like infected with a virus or something?
Yeah, I know how it got infected. It got infected last year.
Oh no, I think it's infected now?
Yes. Yes. And remember plushies versus toys? I remember it months ago. Okay, now time for our first prediction. And stop your music, please. There. Okay. You explain, Hodo. And last time we saw that earthquake was happening in Turkey and Syria and killing 23,000 people. And that earthquake lost their lives. And blah 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 blah. Thank you. Now I'm gonna get this out. No, don't let that thing out that cable. Yeah, I get. One bite and a kill.
Oh no. What did that do?
Oh, I think it's busting open. It's busting open.
Oh, here's the dog getting out here.
A bite and a kill.
Oh no, I love you. What's that thing doing?
Get. Please, little bird, just get out of my face.
Don't I help you? With a smooch.
Oh no, I hate love.
You can kiss these too.
Hey yo. Oh no, oh god.
Everyone get kissy. Come here. Everyone get kissy.
Okay.
Even camera get kissy.
This report was in.
Oh my god.